In this video, I will show you how to fix CapCut templates not showing. If you have problem where your templates in CapCut are not showing, then watch this video until the very end to learn how to fix this problem. The first step is to go to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for CapCut. You need to check if your app is updated. If it says open, that means app is up to date and it has all of the latest features. But if it says update, then you want to click on the update button and wait a couple of minutes until it updates. But if this did not fix the problem, then follow my next step. The second step is to open the TikTok app on your device and go to the search bar. Now type CapCut templates. Now you want to find a TikTok video that has little button like this. It should say CapCut, try this template. Then click on use template in CapCut and wait a couple of seconds until the template loads in the CapCut app. Then select some photos or videos in order to use this template, but you don't have to export it. Just click on the little X button to go to your home screen, and now you should be able to see the templates button in the CapCut app. Since you have an important template, if this video was helpful, leave a comment down below and subscribe to the channel for more tutorial like this. Thanks for watching.